Ang batang abogado ng defense team na pagsapihan ang prosecutors ng mga seniors dahil sa mga side comments sa impeachment trial. Naging bastos kasi si Atty. Kapunan kay Atty. Christine Ferrer. Kaya't napagsabihan ang abogado ng prosecutors si Atty. Kapunan, batang abogado versus senior na abogado. At ito nga natin mapapatunayan na wala talaga sa edad ang tinatawag na respeto. Kung hindi, nasa tao mismo. Ito ang video, panoorin natin.
We would like to ask this court to not allow side comments like, I was about to spank her, I was about to lecture her, kasi yung mga ganun ho, Your Honor. Wala ho yung lugar dito sa courtroom. Because we are all lawyers here, we are all professionals.
Yes.
Igalang naman ho natin yung kapwa natin na lawyer.
Ay, oh.
Halimbawa, at kagaya nito, mas matanda ho sa akin si Atty. Kapunan, maybe she has more years of experience.
Mas
She has
matanda.
48 years, I have 15. We should learn to respect each other and refrain from making side comments, Your Honor. And that was captured by the media po. So that is our request, Your Honor, to just remind the council not to make those kinds of remarks. Thank you.
Attorney Kapunan already, although you are correct, it was already heard since you're on TV. Attorney Kapunan withdrew that statement earlier, if I remember correctly.
Yes, Your Honor. And in fact, I hope it was also part of the records that I promised to behave.
Thank you po.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you to both parties.
At heto pa yung video na nagkasagutan na si Atty. Kapunan at si Atty. Christine Ferrer. Dito makikita natin talagang high blood na si Atty. Kapunan. Panoorin natin ang video.
Number 5, timeline of activities, no? As shown below, the timeline of activities of the Vice President are as follows. So, tingnan natin yung number 4 kung magpo-fall po yan sa confidential or surveillance work, no? Number 4, liaising with intel operatives and respective informants of the PNP and AFP for the data information gathering needed for the threat assessment on criminalities in Davao City and neighboring areas. Does that fall under confidential activity or normal lang yan sa administrative work or normal administrative work lang yan ng OVP?
Papasok po siya sa surveillance.
Okay, salamat. Number 5 po, no? Intel fusion with for the threat assessment and situation update. Papasok po siya sa surveillance.
Opo.
Okay, salamat po.
Magalang
Ito
naman
hong
pala.
number 11, no? Final briefing to Intel operatives and informants. Ano ba to? Normal lang to na trabaho ng OVP or part ito ng surveillance or confidential work?
Papasok po siya sa surveillance activity.
Alright. Then, baba tayo dito sa actual operations, no? Itong profiling and security tagging of the participants, item number 12, who will be attending the event. Papasok po ba na normal admin work lang yan ng OVP or papasok po siya as confidential work or surveillance?
Papasok po siya dun sa surveillance.
Okay, salamat. Number 13,
Magalang naman
deployment of intel operatives and informants along routes, primary and alternate from the PNP. Surveillance or normal work lang yan ng OVP?
Papasok po siya sa surveillance.
Okay. Number 14, provided intel coverage prior to the arrival, actual and departure of the Vice President. Surveillance or normal lang yan? Part lang yan ng admin work ng OVP?
Papasok po siya sa surveillance.
Okay. So, post-operation. Number 16, continuous collaboration with the intel operatives of Davao City Police Office and TF Davao. Pasok po siya sa admin work or surveillance or confidential work?
Sa surveillance po.
Okay. So, nakikita mo dito lahat, Miss Celine, no? Pati na yung doon sa report, nakita mo naman na isa-isa yon, lahat may mga dates at lugar. Tama po?
Opo, nakalagay po yung narratives
okay.
yung timeline.
So, for the first and second and third quarters of 2023, No? Do you confirm that? Nakalagay naman yan lahat. May dates, may activity, at may lugar. Tama ho?
Opo, based po sa PIOR reports na submitted,
Okay.
may mga details po na ganun.
Salamat. So, lahat ng mga submissions ng OVP for the first to third quarter, kasama itong Protective Intelligence Operations Report. Meaning, sa first quarter, yung pinakita ko nga, may sinabit kanina, di ba?
Kasama po dun sa response nila sa AOM
Okay.
attachment po.
So, kasama din doon sa response nila yung second quarter na Protective Intelligence Report.
Kasama din po dun sa
Okay.
attachment.
As well as the third quarter, which is itong binasa nyo ho.
Opo, kasama din po yan.
Okay. But, despite of all of this, no, sinabi mo, hindi, disallowed pa rin yan kasi walang evidence of
Success.
success eh.
Mm.
No? Walang evidence of success eh, no? Wait lang.
Kindly turn on the mic for the prosecutor.
Yan na naman si
Your Honor, the
Capone.
Okay, go.
counsel is being argumentative with
No,
the witness.
I'm
We
just
object.
I'm asking a question. Sabi ko,
What is the question again?
ang question ko, despite of all of those reports, no, dinisallow nyo pa rin yung payment of rewards. Kasi sabi ninyo, no proof of success.
Success.
Di ba ho?
Argumentative, Your Honor.
Ah.
That
Hindi
is
sinabi-
the finding of this
Kaya nga ho,
witness.
sinasabi ko ho, attorney, kaya nga kino-confirm ko ho.
Mm.
Counsel, if you please. Witness may answer. Objection is overruled. Witness said that she indeed disallowed and or gave AOMs because there was no proof of success. I even remember her saying,
Tama.
wala naman daw nahuli. So please answer. Say,
Yes po, kasama po yun sa notice of disallowance ko na na-issue noong March 31, 2026. Hindi
Oh.
po sufficient yung PIOR and the certification na evidence na nagpapakita ng success ng information gathering.
Okay, I get that. But are you aware that one of the purposes of intelligence work is crime prevention?
Your Honor, please, may we know where this is leading? Because we are not talking about intelligence funds. We're talking
Well,
about
confidential funds. So I convert
Confidential
my
funds.
question, Your Honor.
Counsel, kindly
Yes.
wait for Attorney Capone to finish with her objection.
Are you referring to
Counsel,
I will
Intelligence
rephrase
funds
my
or
question. I will
confidential
rephrase my
funds?
question.
Counsels, please address the court, not
Your
each
Honor,
other.
please.
Your Honor, please.
Your Honor, please, may I object to this line of questioning? In fact, I have not stood up because all the questions referred to intelligence funds, Your Honor, when the topic today is confidential funds. And I would like to put that on record, Your Honor, especially this last question, where she
Your Honor.
specifically refers to conclusions as to use of intelligence funds.
The objection is noted, and counsel has already stated that she will rephrase. Kindly rephrase, Attorney Christine.
All right. So, ang tanong ko kanina, no? Sabi nyo nga, no? Dinisallow nyo yung rewards kasi nga walang evidence of
Success.
success nung information gathering. Tama ho?
Opo.
Okay. Kasi nga ho, gusto nyo ho ng proof na may nahuli. Sinabi nyo yan kahapon sa testimony nyo.
Yes po, kasi naipakita po doon yung probable threat. So, ang hinihanap na proof of success is kung may na-apprehend po.
Okay,
Apprehension. Mm.
So, apprehensions, no? So, ang tanong ko sa'yo ngayon, alam niyo ho ba, no? Do you know that one of the purposes of a confidential activity or a surveillance is crime prevention? Alam niyo ba yon?
Ang sa confidential...
Hindi, alam niyo ho ba yon? Tanong ko lang ho, alam niyo ho ba na isa sa mga purposes
Yes or no lang.
surveillance or ng confidential work ay crime prevention? Alam niyo ho ba yon?
kasama po
La.
ang crime prevention, pero depende rin po
Hindi,
ito sa
just
mandate,
answer my question,
mandate ng
yes or
agency.
no?
Attorney
Do you-
Celine, Attorney
Do you
Celine,
agree? Yeah.
kasama po ba yun? o hindi?
Ayan na.
Yung sa crime prevention po, kasama po yun sa... sa
Wait,
pero
let her
depende
answer.
pa din po ito sa sa mandate po ng
Ang ganda lang,
agency.
kasama po ba siya sa surveillance at paggamit ng confidential fund, crime prevention? Yes or no?
Opo, kasama po.
Okay, salamat, Celine.
Ganun lang kasimple. Yes or no lang naman ang isasagot. Diyos ko po, itong witness ng prosecution. Pinahaba-haba na, pinaligoy-ligoy pa. So dito sa sinabi ng witness na may proof of success lamang ay kapag may nahuli. Nung matanong siya na kung alam ba niya na ang one of the purposes ng confidential activity o ng surveillance ay crime prevention. Dito ay nahuli siya. Na-corner na naman ni Attorney Christine Ferrer. So dito, mali ang interpretation ng commission on audit. Crime prevention nga eh. Di pasok ito kasama sa surveillance ang paggamit ng confidential funds dahil nga ang surveillance is a crime prevention. So dito, napakagaling ni Attorney Christine Ferrer. Nahuli niya, na-corner niya ang witness ng prosecution team. At hindi lang yan, napa-high blood pa niya si Attorney Kapunan. Ano ang inyong opinion? I-share mo na ang video na ito. Mag-iwan ng comment at lagyan sa ibaba at magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video.